Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening your project in Ibispaint X and locating the exact layer that holds the picture you want gone. Tap the layers icon to reveal all layers. Once visible, make a duplicate of the layer or the whole project to preserve the original. If the image is on a background layer that's locked or merged, unlock or duplicate it first, because you'll be erasing or cutting pixels. This ensures you can undo major mistakes without losing your work. Once the layer is ready, choose whether to remove permanently or mask non-destructively. If erasing, pick the eraser tool and set size, hardness, and opacity. Carefully erase the picture areas. If you prefer safe editing, add a new transparent layer above and paint over to hide content, or use a layer mask to conceal pixels without deleting them. Make sure to refine edges with a soft brush or smudge tool so the result blends naturally with surrounding content. Finish by zooming in and cleaning stray pixels. Use a small eraser or the selection clear to tidy edges. If you masked instead of deleting, disable or apply the mask depending on whether you want a permanent change. When satisfied, merge visible layers if the file must be flattened, or export as PNG to preserve transparency. If something goes wrong, restore the duplicate backup or step backward in history immediately. Make sure autosave is.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.